I'm out here this morning with my homie Jacob Weaver. What's up, dog? And my other homie Richard.
Hey, hey.
Howdy. And so we're doing some renovations on the front yard today. We have these plots around the trees that we're trying to de-weed now, and this front bed with these sad plants in it that we're gonna get all this grass up and get everything looking nice. Well, it's evening now. We're finished. We got these bushes up and we excavated these tree beds here and got some nice cement down over here, some tiles, mulch, put down some weed guard, and ultimately super nice. What do you think, Jacob?
Way better.
It's quality stuff. Looks great. After a long day's work, this is the final leaf blowed result. Look at that.